Hi everyone, welcome back to a new video of How Logical. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can recover your Acorns account. Watch the video till the end. To recover your Acorns account, firstly open your Acorn application. Enter your email address to log in and then click on Continue. On the next page, to recover your Acorns account, tap on Forgot Password. You will receive an email with the reset instructions. Tap on Got It. Click on your email and tap on it. To recover your Acorns account, enter your last 4 digits of social security number. Enter your new password and confirm your password by re-entering it. Click on an eye icon to check if you have entered your password correctly or not. Your password must be of 8 characters, one special character with an upper and lower case character and a number in it. After entering your new password, tap on Change Password. This is how you can recover your Acorns account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was useful to you. Thank you so much for watching.